Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js Jasmine tutorial. The Jasmine, Jasmine Node package content helper code for developing and running Jasmine test for Node-based project. So in this tutorial, I will show how to install Jasmine using npm. So at first, we need to create new project for Jasmine installation. So after create project, we need to run the command npm install -g global Jasmine, and then Jasmine init, create specification file, and finally run the Jasmine by in command line Jasmine. So now I will create the project for installation Jasmine. Web system, create the new project. Node.js with Jasmine. Jasmine is a unit test. This is our new project, Node.js with Jasmine. Now we will install the Jasmine node package npm install -g global, and then Jasmine node package Jasmine. So it takes few seconds for install. Jasmine install successfully, and in version 3.1.0. Now we will test the Jasmine. So our Jasmine test script is running. Here is showing the no specific found for testing. So now we will create the specification file and package file Jasmine init. Here is the create the specific folder, and then support, then here is the Jasmine package. Here is the Jasmine package file. Now we will create the our test JavaScript file, task test.svc.js. So our test file is created. We can see from here, this is our test file. This is our test file. Sorry, remove test.svc.js. We need to create this file in specific folder cd task test.js. So here our test specific .js file. We can run our Jasmine. So in this tutorial we have learned how to install Jasmine node package has also installed successfully, and here is we have run the project Jasmine, and here is showing no specific file found. Next tutorial we will show how to test the data by Jasmine. Thank you.